All right, I got Maxie here with me. I wanted to show a little bit of the progress I've been making on my next upcoming sample pack, which is all new builders, or all new, I don't know what to call it yet. It's going to be basically impacts and build samples. So things like white noise, things like low thuddy impactful rumbles, uplifting sweeps and swells, and sparkles and things. Let me just give you a sample. Then I've got some basic snare rolls, and I've made these as loops at 120 BPM, but you can chop them up and use them however you want. You just have audio information that's basically already laid out on a grid so that you can extend these patterns however you want. Some more risers or builds that have some wind chimes in them, and I've called these sparkle builds. So I took some samples from wind chimes. I've slightly pitch corrected these to be closer to C, but they add dissonance as they fade in. So as the volume increases, it's also getting more and more dissonant, which creates that tension. And that's what you want for these builds, is more and more tension. I wanted to start building something with these to make sure that they actually work. So what I have here is just a really simple little kind of tech house groove. I don't know what to call it. I'll solo all of the instruments in here so you can hear what we have as far as instrumentation going on. We've got kind of this piano intro, chord progression. Add in some synths. Everything's kind of filtering up. More percussion. Snare roll. Okay, so that's without any of the Anu build kit. So what I'm going to do is, here's all of the effects with that crash as well. So you can hear it's a lot of like swelling and dropping noise. It just helps build everything. That's why I called this one the Build Micro Kit. This is everything together.